Hey, hello. My name is Renaldy Wijaya, and about this lecture of cultural studies, um, I'm gonna review about the chapter 10, the production and reception of the culture. So, we're going to the review. In this chapter, as we can see, the meaning of the phrase production of the culture is concerned with how the organizations in which culture is produced and disseminate affect the nature of culture itself. Yet, there is no clear consensus on what is meant by this phrase. um, Based on the perspective focuses on the ways in which the content of symbolic elements of the culture are shaped by the system within which they are created, distributed, evaluated, thought, and preserved. It can be understood as the social process involved in the generations and circulations of cultural forms, practices, values, shared understandings. See also the consensus. There are six production factors are identified as making possible rapid cultural change. These include change in law and regulations, technology, industrial structure, organizational structure, occupational careers, and the consumer market. In the other hand, the receptions of the culture versions of reader response literary theory that emphasizes a particular reader's reception or interpretation in making meaning from a literary text. Reception is generally referred to as audience receptions in the analysis of communications models. Within social sciences, approach to media audience, several distinct strands of the research seize on the potential of literary approaches to interpretation, resulting in what is variously termed reception studies, audience reception studies, or work on the active audience. And the value that I get from this chapter is one, casual links can be processed, can be clearly traced to the specific institutions and actors. Number two is culture is treated as something concrete rather than as something that is revived and outside of human agency. Number three is research project tend to have clear research finding rather than open-ended theoretical speculations and assertions. And I think that's all for me. um, and thank you.